So this is the last wall I did that you saw, and now we're moving through to the last third of the house, if you like. And in this third we've got the garderobe, which is the walk-in wardrobe. We've got the vanity, which is the bathroom. This wall here is a dividing wall between the bathroom and the walk-in wardrobe. So you can imagine master bedroom, walk-in wardrobe, bathroom. Then here we've got the doorway here. The doorway here runs into this corridor. So this corridor, there's nothing here, there's a wall here. Separate that wardrobe off, walk-in wardrobe off. And on the left here, we will have a short corridor and tambour. But we're not sure whether there's going to be a door on tambour or just an archway or something. That will be the way into the front, into the living room. And then this way, you can imagine this corridor coming down here. You'll have a toilet in front of you there, separate. Bathroom over there, separate. So you've got the original design of this house. Let me show you this. The original design of this house was that was going to be the bathroom, and this was a third bedroom. But there's only two of us and we haven't got any children, so what was the point in having a third bedroom? It's just wasteful. So we've moved the bathroom upstairs. We've got a bigger bathroom because we want a corner jacuzzi in there. That's going to be the walk-in wardrobe, and we wanted in the original design, the bathroom was designed a toilet and bath, shower, whatever, all in the same room, and we wanted jacuzzi in there. But while you're laying in the jacuzzi, we don't want the toilet right beside your head, so we separated it off and have a separate toilet there. So you've got the bathroom with a door there, and the toilet will be a door into there, a separate toilet, a small corridor. And then you've got the guest room, which is that there, and tambour, and a bit of a corridor there. So that's how it is now. So tomorrow's plan is basically to get this frame up, which is one half of that wall with the doorway, and that half as well. It's a bit awkward because I haven't got the pieces down here, and there's also another wall obviously going in there and there. So it's kind of tight for space now, and I had to put that wall in basically because I've no room to build this wall in there. Or if I'd have put that wall in, I wouldn't have had any room to put that up. So getting a bit awkward now, but that's the way it is. Hopefully get this done now in the next few days, and once that's done, then it's on with the studs in all the walls. So I haven't done any videoing for a couple of days. I did do a live stream. If you saw that, you would have seen that a while ago now.